The results of the Lok Sabha election 2024 is finally out. The BJP-led NDA has a majority of 290 seats, whereas the India bloc is at 235. Among the 543 Lok Sabha seats, there were several constituencies where the election results were particularly unexpected. So here is the list of surprising results. First, the most surprising and unexpected result was the Amethi constituency. Incumbent BJP MP Smriti Irani lost to Congress's KL Sharma by over 1,65,000 votes. Next is Nakul Nath, son of Congress leader Kamal Nath and the incumbent MP of Chhindwara. He lost his seat by over 1,13,000 votes to BJP's Bunty Vivek Sahu. In Jammu and Kashmir, National Conference leader Umar Abdullah lost the Baramulla seat to independent candidate Abdul Rashid Sheikh by over 2 lakh votes. Another political heavyweight of Jammu and Kashmir, Mehbooba Mufti, lost the Anantnag Rajouri seat to National Conference's Mia Altaf Ahmed by over 2,79,000 votes. Next is Congress's leader of opposition, Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary, who lost the Bahrampur seat to former India cricketer and TMC candidate Yusuf Pathan by over 85,000 votes. In Kerala, BJP finally opened this account, all thanks to actor-turned-politician Suresh Gopi, who won the Thrissur seat by over 74,000 votes. However, Union Minister Rajiv Chandrasekhar lost the Thiruvananthapuram seat to the incumbent MP Shashi Tharoor by just 16,077 votes. Moving to Tamil Nadu, the BJP state president K. Annamalai lost the Coimbatore seat to DMK's Ganapati Rajkumar P by a margin of over 81,000 votes. From the south, now to the north in Himachal Pradesh, where another actor-turned-politician and BJP candidate Kangana Ranaut won the Mandi seat by a margin of over 74,000 votes. She defeated Congress's Vikramaditya Singh. Another surprising win was from Uttar Pradesh's Nagina, where Azad Samaj Party Kanshiram candidate Chandrasekhar won the election with a margin of over 1,51,000 votes. Apart from trailing in most of the Uttar Pradesh seat, the BJP also lost the Faizabad Lok Sabha seat, which includes Ayodhya, where a grand Ram temple was opened for the public earlier this year. SP's Samajwadi Party's Swadesh Prasad defeated BJP's Lallu Singh by over 54,000 votes. Now these were the surprising results of 2024 Lok Sabha polls. Do let us know any shocking results that you have come across in the comments.